Hello students, today we are going to see chapter 3 linear equation in two variables exercise 3.5 question number 4 third, fourth and fifth subdivision. Third subdivision, Yash scored 40 marks in a test getting 3 marks for each right answer and losing 1 mark for each wrong answer. Had 4 marks been awarded for correct answer and 2 marks has been deducted for each incorrect answer, then Yash would have scored 50 marks. How many questions are there in the test? Here they given two cases. Okay, first case Yash scoring 40 marks. Second case Yash scoring 50 marks along with the negative marks. I am going to assume right answer as number of right answer as x and number of wrong answer as y. In the first case, each correct answer they giving 3 marks. So we don't know how many right answers. I'm going to assume already we have assumed as x. So number of right answer mark is 3x, 3 into x. So now for the wrong answers, each wrong answer 1 mark. He is losing 1 mark. So number of losing mark is 1 into y. So number of right answer minus number of wrong answer only what is getting. So 3x minus 1x is equals to 40. That is our first equation. Then let me come for the second case. They are going to give 4 marks for the correct answer, 2 marks for deducting for each incorrect answer. Then what happened for the equation? 4x minus 2y is equals to 50. I am going to simplify. After simplify, I will get 2x minus y is equals to 25. Now we have to eliminate one of the variable. I am going to eliminate y. Here already y has same sign with same number. I am going to change the sign. Then y will get cancelled. Then 3x minus 2x, it gives ax. Then 40 minus 25 gives 15. X is equals to 15. Then substitute the x value in first equation. 3x minus y is equals to 40. If I substitute x value, then 3 into 15 minus y is equals to 40. Then 40 go to left hand side. It becomes minus 40. Then minus y go to right hand side becomes plus y. Then 45 minus 40, it gives y is equals to 5. Now we found the x value and y value. X is number of right answer is equals to 15. Y is number of wrong answer is 5. Therefore total number of question is 5 plus 15 is equals to 20. Let me go for the fourth sum. The place A and B are 100 kilometers apart on the highway. One car starts from A and another from B at the same time. If the car travels in the same direction at different speed, they meet in 5 hours. If they travel towards each other, they meet in 1 hour. What are the speed of the two cars? Here we have two places A and B. The distance between the A and B is 100 kilometers. Okay. One car is in the place of A, another car in the place of B. Okay. If they travels in same direction, they will meet within 5 hours. If they travel towards each other, they will meet within 1 hour. We need to find the car speed. I am going to assume first car speed as x, second car speed as y. Now according to the question, if they travels on the same direction, the relative speed is x minus y. Our distance is 100. First case time is 5 hours. Distance is equals to speed into time. Our distance is 100. 100 is equals to speed is x minus y into 5. Then if I simplify, x minus y is equals to 20. Then second case, if the car travels in opposite direction, then the relative speed is x plus y. Here the distance is 100 only, time is 1 hour. Speed into time is equals to distance. Our distance is 100 is equals to x plus y. That is our second equation. Now we have to solve the first and second equation. Here we need to eliminate one of the variable. I am going to eliminate variable y. If I cancel, I will get x plus x, 2x is equals to 20 plus 100, 120. 2x is equals to 120. X is equals to 60. Now substitute the value of x in first equation. X minus y is equals to 20. 60 minus y is equals to 20. Then 20 go to left hand side becomes as minus. Minus y go to right hand side becomes as plus. 60 minus 20 is equals to 40. Y is equals to 40. So the speed of the car at A is 60 kilometers per hour. The speed of the car at B is 40 kilometers per hour. The difference of speed is 60 minus 40, 20. Next, fifth sum. The area of rectangle gets reduced by 9 square units if its length is reduced by 5 units, breadth is increased by 3 units. If we increase the length by 3 units and breadth by 2 units, the area increases by 67 square units. Find the dimension of rectangle. Here they discussed about area of the rectangle. Length I am going to assume as x, breadth of the rectangle I am going to assume as y. What about area? Area is equals to x into y. Let me go for the first case. The first case, area has been reduced. Area has been reduced means already area value is xy. So area has been reduced if length is reduced by 5 units, breadth is reduced by increased by 3 units. So area is going to reduce. So xy minus 9 from the area going to reduce by 9 square units. So xy minus y is equals to, from the length we are going to subtract 5 units. So x minus y into, we are going to increase the breadth. So y plus 3. Why we are multiplying? It is area of rectangle formula L into B. Here according to the first case, our length is x minus 5, breadth is y plus 3. Now we need to remove the bracket. After multiplying, xy minus y is equals to xy plus 3x minus 5y minus 15. Now we can cancel xy. After cancelling, then I am moving variables one side, number on another side. After simplifying, I am getting 3x minus 5y is equals to 6. That is our first equation. When we come for the second case, here the area is going to be increased by 67 square units. When the length has to be increased by 3 units and breadth has to be increased by 2 units. Then area is going to increase by 67. xy plus 67 is equals to, length is x plus 3, breadth is x plus 2. If I multiply, I am getting xy plus 67 is equals to xy plus 2x plus 3y plus 6. Then after simplifying, I am getting equation as 2x plus 3y is equals to 61. Now we need to solve the two equation. Okay. both the equations, I am going to eliminate coefficient of y. What is the common here? 5 3s are 15. So first equation I am going to multiply by 3. Second equation I am going to multiply by 5. If I multiply by 3, then equation becomes 3x into 3, 9x minus 3 5s are 15y is equals to 6 3s are 18. That is our third equation. Then second equation I am going to multiply by completely by 5. So 2x into 5, 10x, 3y into 5, 15y is equals to 61 into 5, 305. Now we can eliminate the y. Then 9x plus 10x is equals to 19x is equals to 305 plus 18 is equals to 323. 19x is equals to 323. Then 19 go to right hand side becomes as divide. X is equals to 323 by 19. X is equals to 17. Now substitute the value of x in any one of the equation. I am going to substitute first equation. 3x minus 5y is equals to 6. X is equals to 17. If I substitute 3 into 17 minus 5y is equals to 6. Then 51 minus 5y is equals to 6. Then 6 go to left hand side becomes as minus. Minus 5y go to right hand side becomes as plus. Then 51 minus 6 is equals to 5y. Then 5y is equals to 45. Then multiple of 5 go to right hand side, it becomes as divide. Then y is equals to 9. Therefore, the length of the rectangle is 17. Breadth of the rectangle is 9 units. Thank you.